Hello and welcome to 123 Simply Craft. I'm Mary Lou, a Stampin Up Demonstrator in Australia. I post a video every Friday, so if you like my videos, please subscribe and click on the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. For today, I wanted to share one of the products that some people may not be, maybe know that they're available in Stampin' Up because they're not in the book. What I'll do is down the video below, I will add a link to my online store. That's the only way that you can see the kits. So at the moment, Stampin' I have 16 kits that you may not be aware because they're not in the book. So I put the link below on my online store so you can go and check them out. They're pretty good. We have 4 that are stamping, 5 that they go stamping, 4 no stamping, and then we have some that are just for crafting and boxes and things like that. I will explain what I mean by stamping and non-stamping, but altogether we have about 16, and we're always changing and they're adding new ones. Now, these kits, I think they're really wonderful because they're good to have in hand. You know, sometimes you want to have a card and a quick card because somebody's birthday and you don't have time to plan for a card. Well, this one, they have been already designed by designers. So you know that the card is going to be beautiful and you have everything you need on the kit. It comes in this beautiful little box that you can actually re-gift it later. Like you can put a nice little tag over here and it's beautiful. But this is what it comes in it. It comes with the instructions. This is just one particular kit. This one is called Sentimental Rose Card Kit. And this one is like one of the ones that I'm saying that is a stamping kit. What I mean by stamping kit, it means that your kit will come with everything that you need in this particular one to make nice cards and a gift box so you can give to someone. But then when you finish all the cards, you have a beautiful stamp set. See if I got, let me put it on here so you can see it better. It's got a beautiful stamp. It's upside down so I can't read it. Here we go. So it's got Happy Mother's Day. I'm reading it upside down. Oh my goodness. Okay. Happy Mother's Day. Congratulations. Thank you for you. A beautiful flower. Best wishes. And so it's just a beautiful stamp. Come with the stamp. Everything that you need. The ink pad, the block, the glue dots, the dimensionals, the string. And then it comes with the beautiful cards. Envelopes, the die cuts, everything, absolutely everything. And this particular kit, it even comes with to make the box. And then you have the tags. There's the tags. So then that's when you need your stamp. This is called an stamping kit because you got the stamp set. So we have about 5 different designs from kits that you can stamp, and the cards are just beautiful cards. I put the link below so you have to go and check them out because I think they're just beautiful. So that's that one. And then when you first get them, it comes like this. This one I already opened. I couldn't wait, so I thought I'll leave one without opening just to show you what they look like and how they come in the box. When it comes in the box, it comes like this. Sorry about that. It comes all very well packed like that, and the ink and the stamp come separate. This is called the weather, something about the Meta the weather. There we go. Here, and then it's come with instructions, and it's just beautiful, very beautiful. This is one of my favorites, and I haven't opened it because I wanted to show you. But the stamp, the good thing is when you finish, you get all the stamps and the inks to do it. So that's that. And then, what's this one here? Oh, yeah, this one. This is one of the new ones. This is very pretty. Now, this one too, I think is very good. You know, when your grandchildren come over and you want to entertain them, you can get just this kit out, sit all around the table, and you can all stamp because even with the teenagers. It shows in here exactly how to do it and put it together. So I think that this will be a fun thing to do with the grandchildren or with the children when you got them with you. It comes with everything that you need, the beautiful stamp set, embellishment, absolutely everything. Just gorgeous. So that's that. And now I'm going to show you one that doesn't have, there's no stamping necessary. Let me get that one for you. Okay, these are non-stamping. What I mean by non-stamping, it means that everything is already done for you. Even the stamping, because you know, you may want to give it to your grandparents, or maybe you want to give it to a young teenager or a young girl, like my granddaughter is 10 or 12. So this is already with all done for you. I actually make a little card just to show you. See, it's already being stamped. So the little leaves cut out. So it's just a matter of putting everything together. The gold leaf, and this, all the little bits and pieces, flowers, and this is already stamped. See, and you got it in 3 different languages: English, French, and I think it's German. Isn't it gorgeous? I think it's just beautiful. So I think this is a great idea to give as a gift, to have on hand, like I said, for a quick card. Go and check them out, because not many people are aware of this. And I just love them. I think they're just beautiful. If you're going to go on a road trip or you're going to go on a holidays, everything is in one box. So we can still craft even when we go away or with a loved one. So I hope you enjoy this. Give it a go. I put the link down below. Go and check them out. Bye for now.